Hey folks, and welcome to today's video. What I'm going to show you is how to delete a repository inside GitHub. Here we are inside a repository in GitHub and I no longer need this repository, so I want to delete it. So I'm going to head over to settings and then I'm going to scroll to the very bottom of settings and we'll see this danger zone area where we have the ability to potentially change the availability or visibility of the repository. We can transfer ownership to someone else. We could archive the repository. But at the very, very bottom, we have delete this repository. And that's what I want to do. I want to click on delete this repository. Now we're asked to confirm that we definitely 100% want to delete this repository. So we do this by confirming the name of the repository and then clicking on the button that says, I understand the consequences, delete this repository. Now after a few moments, we will be asked for our password. You may even be asked for a two-form factor authentication sometimes when you're deleting this. Once you've entered that, the GitHub repository will be deleted and we'll get that confirmation at the top of this screen in a blue bar saying that that repository has been successfully deleted. Beware when you're doing it because you obviously don't want to delete the wrong repository. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope that you found this video useful.